Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is actually Valentine's Day, as you can see by the title and kind of this look. So I wanted to use a palette that I completely forgot about it, and when I was kind of researching this for this video, I kind of I totally forgot about this palette, and I think I got this palette for my 21st birthday. I can't remember. I have to look back and see when I got it. But I absolutely love this palette. It has some of my favorite colors in it. So anyway, we are using the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette for today's video. If you don't forget to like today's video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you never miss a video like this, and hit the notification bell to never miss an upload. Now let's get into the video. And to prime the eyes, I'm going to take the Nisa Beauty Eye Prime brush, and we're just going to start priming the eyes. After priming whatever foundation I'm using that day, I'm going to apply it directly on top of the RCMA foundation palette, and we are just going to use, I'm just going to use my finger to apply it. So I'm going to take this shade here, and that's the same foundation shade that we're going to use for the face as well. I'm going to apply that to the lid. Let's set the foundation on the eyes. I'm going to take my Bare Minerals powder foundation in Fairly Light. I just want to dust this across the lids. On a Sephora blending crease brush, like this one, I'm going to take the color Juicy, and we are going to apply that to the crease. In windshield wiper motions, I kind of also want to kind of bring it up towards the brow, just a little bit in the inner corner. Okay, with a clean brush, I'm gonna take Fields on. I'm gonna take, this is the brush, Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam brush. I'm just going to take the color Fields. It's a little bit deeper, and we're going to apply this in the crease slightly below Juicy. Okay, with the Morphe M433 brush, I'm going to take a little bit of Bang and Devilish and apply that to the outer part of the eye and a tiny bit in the crease. With a different brush, I'm going to take the Sonia Kashuk brush, I think this was. I'm going to take the color Privacy. I don't think I've ever used this shade that much, because I was just too scared to use it, I guess. It's really deep. I'm going to take that. We're going to apply it where we applied Blush and Bing. Just in the outer part of the lid. I'm not going to go, well, maybe let's go slightly. Yeah. I'm going to go slightly in the outer crease, just a little. Okay, with a brush like this one, this is from the Shandy 32 brush set. This is brush number 8. I'm going to take my NYX Bear With Me Multitasking Setting Spray. I'm just going to spray this. Then I'm going to take the color Bang Bang, which is this super pretty pink sparkly shade. We are going to apply this to the lip. You know, I'm not getting the same payoff that I want with this. So I'm going to take my finger and just go over it again. Yeah, that's a lot better. Then I'm going to take a blending brush like this one. This is the Morphe 453 brush. We're just going to blend kind of like where the crease shade and the lid shade meet. And then I can go back into Privacy. Oh, I didn't think I said that shade before. The deepest shade in the palette is Privacy, that we used in the outer corner. Actually, oh yeah, we did use this brush. I'm going to climb a little bit more of that, the outer crease, and then I'm going, or outer V area. I'm going to blend that a little bit because we didn't really blend it very well when we initially applied that with lashes on, and then we're going to do the lips. Okay, so I forgot that we're going to do the under eye after I put on the lashes. So these lashes are from Kiss, I think, or I'll link them down below for you. But like my favorite lashes when I got them, I didn't realize that they were the full. I mean, I kind of knew that they were the full volume set, but I didn't realize that how voluminous these actually are. But I do still really, really like them. So we're going to go back into the Naked Cherry palette. I'm going to start with Juicy on a Sephora smudger brush. And we are going to apply this underneath the lower lash line. Okay, then I'm going to take Feels on the same brush. And we're just going to do the same exact thing. If it gets too low, we can take another, we can take a clean blending brush and just blend a little bit. Then I'm going to do like we did before. I'm going to take Bing and Devilish, and we're going to apply that only in the outer part of the lower lash line. Then I'm going to take a clean, not that brush, clean BK Beauty brush, and we're just going to blend the under eye area where we applied those shades. Okay, then for lower lash mascara, I'm going to use the same mascara that I used on the top lashes. This is the Jafra High Definition Waterproof Mascara. I definitely did want to use red because we haven't used any red in this look yet. So I'm going to take the Jafra Matte Liquid Matte Lipstick in Cupid's Kiss. One of my all-time favorites. It's amazing. I'm just going to, actually, let's first take off any foundation that got on the lips with a makeup wipe. Okay. I'm going to let that kind of just dry a little bit. And then we're going to go in with the liquid lipstick. Then actually the very last thing we're going to do, we're going to set the face using the NYX Bear With Me Multitasking Setting Spray. It's time for the Bible verse of the day. So let's do it. Okay, this one is Romans 12:10. Love one another with brotherly affection. Outdo one another in showing honor. And that was Romans 12:10. Hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!